Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Notion AI to turn notes into action items, complete guide step by step clearly.
Open your Notion app or website and log into your account. Navigate to the workspace where you'd like to enable Notion AI. Locate the settings menu by clicking on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Members. In the Settings menu, find the Notion AI section. Click on the toggle switch to enable Notion AI for your workspace. Once enabled, return to your workspace dashboard. Create or open an existing page where you want to turn your notes into action items. Type out your notes clearly and concisely in the page. Highlight the portion of the notes you want to convert to action items. A small pop-up will appear. Choose Ask Notion AI from a list of options. In the prompt that appears, type a request such as, turn these notes into action items. Press Enter to submit your request to Notion AI. Wait a few moments as Notion AI processes your notes. The action items will appear below your original notes. Review the generated action items for accuracy and clarity. Edit any items if necessary, ensuring they fit your needs.
Organize the action items within your Notion page as desired.
You can add due dates or assign tasks to team members if using Notion for collaboration. That's it. You have successfully enabled Notion AI and transformed your notes into actionable tasks.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.